Crude oil traded with little swings yesterday, hitting the highs at 77.8, 78 zone, while the lows at 76.5, proven out to be a very good support. While it is natural gas which is traded, though despite we had seen a good gap up opening, it has erased all the gains and it has moved towards 3.55. Now trying to bounce back. What to expect today from oil and gas? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel which gives you twice a day updates with precise levels so that you can trade profitably throughout the day. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. See oil on the hourly charts trying to erase some of the gains. See, it has seen higher highs and it is now trying to deliver higher lows. In fact, now if it trades below 76.5, 76.4, you can look forward to the next move towards 76, 75.8, and then in fact we can see 75 as well. But right now I can see it is not so aggressively bearish. What it may try to at best do is do like this, trade in a flag formation where the support levels towards 76.5 should be very strong here. That is also the 50 period moving average for the day. But interestingly, now it is trading below 20 period moving average, which is a slight bearish sign, which means it can try to move towards 77 and 76.5 zone. Let's see. If you look at the stock, I think this is at bottom. MACD trading with divergence, staying bearish after this crossover here. The RSI has dropped sharp. Again, slight bearish sign here on the hourly charts. On the 2 hour, you can see that prices were trading with little divergence from the 20 period. It has taken a little dip. It is trying to drop again. But at the same time, what we are seeing here is slightly higher lows and slightly higher rise. So in fact, even if it moves towards 20 period moving average, it can still stay in this flag formation. Remember, only bearishness is oil is if you see it is staying below 76, 75.5 zone, then only you can say that it has turned bearish, else it is still right now trading in a bullish zone. Stock IST has dropped sharp. The MACD interestingly has crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, and this suggests that the possibility is high that we may see oil moving towards 76.5 levels again before bouncing back. RSI has dropped, which is again not a good sign for the bulls. Coming to the 3 on the 3 hour chart, see similar observation here. Yes, a good resistance is offered here at 78 levels and now trying to reverse. And now we can see it finding support here. Double bottom is seen, and thus any drop below 77 will be a good sign for us to initiate a selling entry. And then you can expect it to move towards 76.5, 76.4, and then 76, 75.4. These are the three support levels which are going to definitely act as a stronger support for oil for the day. Stock I stick dropping here. MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bearish cross. This could start the slight retracement here because see, it has seen a very good rise, traded with divergence, now converged and now crossing over. This can lead to slight bearishness for the next forthcoming candles, which means 76.5 is there, and beyond that it can show you little more bearishness here. Coming to 4, similar observation here, reversal sign, couple of red candles here. I'll wait for where this current candle closes and where the next one starts. So this, the divergence here of the price from the 20 period, which is right now sitting at around 76, makes this the next support zone here for the day. So if you see oil now below 77, that is the point of time we can say stay short. Stock I stick dropping here. MACD is in green, trying to converge, crossover. RSI overbought, trying to come out of the overbought zone. So in fact, indicators are also supportive of little drop. Now before we move to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentor. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, if you look at the movement here in oil, rise, retracement, rise, it could start to retrace a little. Look at the formation here, diminishing bullishness here for these three candles. Then a reversal sign has appeared. Now, where we can consider that it is reversing only and only if it trades below 76 and 75.5 zone. If these two levels are taken, this should become the first reversal candle, and then you can expect the next one in formation where it can in fact take it towards 472 zone, chances of which appears to be less here. Look at the formation, it is also delivering higher highs. So now if you see oil staying beyond 77.6 today, you can again initiate a buying entry, expect 78, and then beyond 78 I will be looking forward to 78.4, 78.5 as the next target. After that, 79.2, 79.3 is next, and then we can wait for the $80 levels, the critical psychological milestone which oil would like to break. But right now I can say that there is slight bearishness prevailing here on the smaller time frame charts, and thus a little retracement towards 76.5 is possible, but till 76.5, and in fact let me include 76 as well. Till 76, do not treat oil as bearish. So if you're selling at 77, be cautious here. 76.75, 76.5, 76, and then below 76 you can expect 75.5 levels as the next target. Below this it can deliver a massive correction, a massive crash. I do not expect this to happen, but yes, these are markets, anything is possible, so trade accordingly. Let's move to natural. See, in the update yesterday I have mentioned that once it stays now below 3.8 and 3.74 zone, you can look forward to a great drop. First it may fill the gap towards 3.7, then 3.6, and now what it has done, it has moved now close to 3.55, the stronger support zone here. What we had seen in the recent past for net gas, we have seen a rise towards 3.9. It has hit 3.55, now trying to bounce back. Now see this zone, this is critical here. As long as now 3.7, 3.65, 3.7 zone is not taken, we have to be again remain watchful for natural gas. It can possibly break this. This is possible that it can keep moving upwards. It can keep moving towards 3.7, and once 3.7 is done, you can say that the bulls are back. So right now I can say till at least 3.7 you have to be very careful with the buys, and then in fact 3.78, 3.8 zone should appear here. But what it has done with this drop, it has come towards the 50 and 100 period average here. It is taking the support and trying to bounce back. Stochastic rising, MACD has seen a good lows here. It is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. Wait for a crossover there. That will confirm a reversal. The RSI is staying flat here. Coming to two on the 2 hour chart, similar observations. See, there was a squeeze here between the 20 and 50 period average. Just let it break beyond, let it stay about 3.66, and then expect 3.7 to be taken. Beyond 3.66 and 3.7, there could be bullishness here where 3.74, 3.78, 3.8, and once 3.8 is taken, that is a reversal where in fact this time the chances are high that we may see $4 levels very soon. Stochastic rising hitting the bottom. The MACD is right now after the crossover, it's trading with good divergence and good bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. On the 3 hour charts, when you look on the 3 hour charts, the observation is similar here. See, it has found a support. It is trying to break out. Once it stays above 3.6566, you can just stay bullish for 3.7, and beyond 3.7 it can show you slight reversal. But I will say till 3.8 today you should not be treating this as bullish. Beyond 3.8 you should not be treating this as bearish. Very clear here. The stock has ticket bottom trying to bounce back. The MACD crossing over at the top trying to trade with divergence and bearishness. The RSI is flat. On the 4 hour charts, when you look at on the 4 hour charts, see similar observation. First of all, every rise, every strong rise takes the or pulls the back prices towards 20-50 period moving average. That is what has happened. It was trading with divergence here. It has come down to take the support here. Now trying to recover. But I will say yes, a good support is formed at 3.6. That is clear here. And thus, if you see it is staying below 3.6, you can take a selling entry, expect 3.57, 3.55 as the first target zone, and then towards 3.5, 3.4. If these two targets levels are taken, I think we are looking forward to a greater correction which can take it towards 3.4, 3.3 zone very soon. While on the upside now you can see it has formed a base trying to bounce back, and now it has to just break these resistances. Now see, it has taken the support from the 20 period trying to recover, thus it may try to move towards 3.74, 3.8 zone again. Stochastic at bottom here, see the MACD crossing over here is not a good sign for the bulls, but yes, this is coming at a slightly lower levels from what we had seen in the last bull run. So let's watch out how far this can diverge and how strong bearishness it can keep it here. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to daily charts. On the daily charts, what has happened? See, every rise is followed with a retracement here. That is what we have seen for natural gas. And this time it is opened with a gap up. It has bridged the gap and it is trying to recover. Let's see if it trades below 3.5 today. That will be a good sign for the bears. As long as 3.5 is respected, we have to be cautious in the sells. And thus for the day, I will recommend you to only sell at 3.6 levels. And if you are selling at 3.6 also, be careful for 3.5 for 3.5 levels, which is going to be indeed a very good support. Now see, it has bridged the gap and it can bounce back. See, it is also delivering higher lows, higher highs, so recovery here can be potentially very strong. Stochastic trying to drop from the overbought zone. The MACD is trading with moderate bullishness. It has just crossed over. It is staying flat as of now, and the RSI is flat as well. So considering, I will recommend you to buy natural gas at 3.6566 zone and expect it to move towards 3.7. 3.7 the first target zone, 3.7476 the second, and then 3.8 level should appear. Any movement beyond 3.8 is a clear sign of reversal, where this time we can expect it to move towards 3.9 and $4 levels as well. While on the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is at 3. And if it trades below 3.6, stay short for 3.575, 3.5455. And if 3.5455 zone is taken, stay short for 3.5. 3.5 is indeed a very, very good support. Any drop below 3.5 should be taken up seriously, where then it can move towards 3.4, 3.3 zone, the next support zone here. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship by Join My Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.